Hi everybody, I just wanted to make this quick video for you so that you understand what different projects I will have posted for you under your Google Classroom, which ones are most important, and how to properly upload and share your finished work with me. So this is your Google Classroom, or whatever your grade level is. Your stream here is where I will post some just reminders or some quick things, so just make sure you take a look at that area. But up here under classwork, this is where your work is. I have 3 categories: art assignments, extended learning, projects, and free choice. So these art assignments I have up at the top, they are the most important. They are going to be the projects that we would have been doing in the regular art classroom that I would have been giving you grades on. So please complete these assignments first. And then you can move on to these extended learning projects. These are just some extra resources, whether they're drawing activities or painting or some fun videos that I found. Take a look at these extended learning projects after you've finished these art assignments. And then down below there's a free choice area. If there's something that you've created at home on your free time that you want to share with me, I would love to see it. So please upload and submit a picture under the free choice area. So when you're in the art assignments or whatever category you're in, just open up that area in order to view the assignment. And I'm going to hop over to Mrs. Bixler's page. This would be the view that you would see when you open up an assignment. This area over here specifically, where it says your work, add or create, mark as done. So this is where you are going to upload your photos and mark your work as complete. So you would need to first take a picture of your artwork and then upload it to your device. Click on the add or create, and you want to click on the file option unless you're sharing with me a Google Slide or a doc. If you want to put it in one of those, that's perfectly fine. But most likely you're just going to look for the file itself. Select files from your device and you'll find it. Open it, click on upload. It might take a little bit of time. And then you'll see that your image is here, and then when you're ready you can click on turn in for your assignment. And if you want to unsubmit it, or if you want to submit other things, I believe you can do so as well if you've made some changes to your work. You can do so as well. So again, just keep in mind those 3 categories: art assignments, extended learning, and free choice. And please do your best to keep up with your assignments. I miss you guys very much, and just please reach out to me if you need any help or guidance in any way. All right, take care. Bye-bye.